It is Chris with pennies1000s.com doing a video on this site, Grabpoints, a very good get paid to site. It's been around a very long time. I've had plenty of cash outs on it. I'm going to show you what I'm doing in order to make money on this site. And you see here right at the top, earn 400 points for completing your demographics. This is something that you have to do pretty much every couple of months or so, just because they want to make sure that when they send you surveys that it's more likely that you'll qualify for it, which I do like that they do that. And on top of that, you get paid to do it. So you have to do that like every once in a while, not all the time, but just I have to do it now in order to unlock more surveys. But you can kind of see the surveys that they have on here. And their surveys do not take that long. I've done plenty of surveys on here, and I'm pretty fast with taking surveys. They're like 5 to 10 minutes long. So, very quick with the surveys. When it comes to the offers, they have plenty of different offers you can choose from. Again, with the offers, it's always just making sure that you understand what the description is asking you to do. If you click on view all offers, it will show you a long list of what they have. So right here is more offers that'll pop up. Again, you can kind of just click on it and kind of see if it's something that you're interested in. Some of these are games, some of these are simply things you can sign up for with just using the email. So just, I recommend just taking a look at it, and you really make some money with the offers. And of course, they have the different offer walls you can choose from. These are really, ones that are pretty much on a lot of get paid to site ads and media time walls. One of my favorites, really just clicking on ads right here. Loot TV, this is one where you can watch videos. Same thing with Pixel Point, just clicking on videos and just letting them run. Very easy way to make money, very passive income in doing that. All right. So like between the surveys, the offers, watching videos, clicking on ads, there's lots of opportunities to make money on here. And of course, when you get enough money, you can cash out. So I'm going to show you the different reward options that they have. Now, before I get to that page, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. That way you can be up to date and having all the free ways of making money. If you're interested in making money online, this is the perfect channel before you, because I'm showing you different ways to make money with sites and different apps, all of which you can use at your spare time. So subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any extra ways to put money in your pocket. All right. So now let's get to the rewards page, and I can show you the different cash out options that they have on here. Now you will see their minimum for a lot of these different ones is $1, which I love. Doesn't take long to get $1. It's not hard at all. They got Amazon. They got a lot of different popular ones. You kind of have to just scroll through like this. They got PayPal right there, and it kind of shows the bar of like how far you are from cashing out for their minimum. So if I click on the PayPal account here, you'll see all the different ways or different amounts of money that they're willing to pay through PayPal. The minimum is $1. You need 1,025 grab points in order to do that, and it goes all the way up into 100. Again, they're showing you the different points that you need in order to reach that cash out. All right. So other different options on here, like Amazon, they got different retail stores you can choose from, different grocery stores, all of which you can cash out on. I know Amazon is one that a lot of people like to cash out on as well. Again, same thing, minimum of $1, and this one goes up to $200. So there's plenty of different ways you can cash out on here. I just wanted to show you this site. It's a site that I've been using literally for years now. I would say close to 10 years. I mean, it's really been good to me. I think you'll love it. Different ways you can cash out, lots of different ways you can make money on it. It is completely free. And it continues to pay out on time every time. That's why I love it. So if you want to sign up for this site, I'll leave the link in the description. Right now, I have 335 grab points in my account just because I cashed out a few days ago, but I'm about to build that right back up. So you can too by clicking on the link in the description and get it started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.